Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all gestures and motions on POCO X3 GT. And to do this, first let's open the settings. Then locate the additional settings at the bottom, and there's gesture shortcuts right here. Now there's many different settings, let's check how they work. The first one being Launch Google Assistant. And here, if you enable it, you'll also need to enable Google Assistant for that, obviously. But when it's turned on in gestures, then you can use your power key, press and hold it for half a second to open Google Assistant. It works fine. Moving on to taking a screenshot. And there's two different options: slide 3 fingers down and use volume down plus power key to make a screenshot. So slide works like this, and power key and volume down combination also makes a screenshot. Let's go to the partial screenshot, and here use your 3 fingers just like that to take a partial screenshot. Now you can draw how you want to take a screenshot. Next option is launch camera. There's two different settings here, and there's double press the power button and also double press volume down when the screen is locked. Let's try the first one. Works fine, and when our phone is locked, double press volume down and it also opens camera. And the last option, almost last option, second last option is the turn on torch. And if you enable it, then you can replace camera with double press power key to enable the torch. And the last option, finally, we have double tap fingerprint sensor to launch one of these functions. And I want the silent mode. Fingerprint on this phone is located right here, so don't press it, just double tap it like that, and your phone will enter the silent mode when you chose this function. There's many other if you're interested. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.